How's it going, everybody? What's up? Welcome back to a Boost Nation Performance. I know it's been forever since we dropped a video on this channel, but yesterday we did a huge upgrade to my truck, and I cannot wait to show you guys. This completely transformed my truck. Let's check it out.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not.
So yesterday we did this ATO F7 double-din radio. I am absolutely in love with this. It has Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. It came with a backup camera. We didn't get that installed yet, but I am just blown away by this. The touchscreen is so responsive. There's not like a lag. Bluetooth connects instantly, works great, and I am super happy with this setup. So while we were doing sound system, we went and added these Rockford Fosgate P1683s in. We did these all the way around in the front doors as well as in the rear pillars, because apparently these trucks don't have speakers in the back doors, which took me by surprise. But yeah, thankfully they were all the same size. They all bolted right in and plugged in. We had to use a special connector because Ford and all their wisdom used a wacky connector for the door speakers. So we got a connector that just bolts right up to, or like snaps right onto the speakers, and had to do a little bit of wiring. The plugs that came on the connectors were not quite the right size for these speakers, but yeah, all in all, very happy with how they came out. I would turn it on and play some music for you guys, but copyright infringement, so we can't do that. But if you are on the fence about doing a radio like this, let me tell you what, it is mind-blowing, and you will not regret it. This one has, you can add a mic, or like you can plug it in if you don't want to use Bluetooth. It's hard to see, but down here you have a USB. I really like this one. This one also has like actual buttons for your volume, as well as like a mute/power button. So yeah, very happy with it. Can't wait to get the backup camera hooked up. So yeah. So that was all we got done yesterday. I want to give a huge shout out to my friends. You know who you are. They absolutely knocked it out of the park. They crushed it. They spent all day working on my truck with me and didn't send me a bill. So thank you to you guys. If you want, please subscribe. We have a lot more to do to this truck. Some very big things planned next week for this thing. So stay tuned, and hopefully we'll keep dropping some more videos because I've really been enjoying this and I miss creating content for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.